So coming to the next one, I'm going to check whether a number is odd or even. So at first I'm going to write a file here called even odd.c with extension .c. Then I'm going to write hash include stdio.x. Then I'm going to write a main function here which is of type int, so I have to return an integer, so I'm returning here 0. Then I'm going to declare a variable called num of type int. So I can go down and I can say printf enter a number, and I can read the number from the user. So I'm using the scanf statement here. So I can say %d because I want to take an integer value from the user and I want to store it on the num variable. So I have to give the address of num, so address of num. Then to check whether a number is even or odd, we have to use an algorithm. That is, if the number is divisible by 2, it is even, otherwise it is odd. So we can do that using the if statement. So if num %2, so it is saying that whenever the num is divided by 2, if its remainder is 0, then our number is even. So I can say printf %d is even number, and I can have a new line here by saying /n, and then I have to pass the value to the %d. I want to pass num here. Come down and I can say else, otherwise the number is odd. So I can say printf %d is odd number, and I can have a /n for a new line, and I can pass num as an argument here. And if I quit the text editor and I compile my code here, that is the even odd.c, and I want to have the output as even_odd. So it has compiled the code, so I can run the file which is even_odd. So it is asking me to enter a number, so I have to enter a number. So I'm typing 12 here, which is the even number, so I can say 12, and the code has given me that 12 is even number. So if again I run the code, and if I say 3, which is odd number, and the C program is saying 3 is odd number, awesome.